Hey guys, in this video I am going to show how to make your product images attractive with advanced design 3D models using AI tools. I will also show you how to improve the quality of your product without software. So let's get started. First of all, I will change the very nice background of this shoe for example. You just open any of your internet browsing apps that have available on your Windows operating system. Now go to search box and type Creator Kit. Please enter when finished typing. You can see a bunch of results, so you click creatorkit.com. You click on the Try It Now option. Sign up via Shopify or email. I will sign up via email. There are two options. One is style and the other is prompt. I will change the design of the image with the style option. It can also be done through prompt, but in that case you have to write the text. Select the category of the image you want to design from the product category. I will be designing the background of the shoes. I have selected the category footwear. Now follow my instructions to style the image. If you do not like any of these images, you can see more new type of images by clicking on Render again. You can download any image of your choice. Since we are using the free version, the image quality will not be that good. But don't worry, I will introduce you another AI tool from which you can get HD quality images. Now go to search box and type replicate. Press enter when finished typing. You can see a bunch of results, so you click replicate.com. Scroll down to click Super Resolution option. Now click on this option. Now follow my instructions. HD image download complete. Now we will compare the difference between the previous image and the new image. Please view and comment how much clearer the new image is compared to the previous image. I will introduce you to many more such AI tools. I am very happy if you subscribe my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Please comment, I will try to give correct answer. Thanks for watching this video.